Mga kanos, welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Yesto. And for today's episode 22, must try drinks by AuthenTEAc. AuthenTEAc is a Thai-based milk tea shop here in Iloilo City, located at Xfit Gym, Plaza Libertad, Iloilo City. They have also this colorful cart open to serve for their loyal customers. As of this moment, they offer delivery for their loyal customers. No minimum orders required. Just add 50 pesos for delivery fee and free delivery for 5 or more orders. And this episode is semi-sponsored by AuthenTEAc, and yung remaining 2 drinks, personal pick ko po and binayaran ko in my own personal expense. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Either makanos or clear drinks by AuthenTEAc. These are all best sellers, and yung sizes po natin is large size and also for regular size. Let's start makanos. So, divide ko siya in 2 groups. Dalawang drinks dito is my own personal pick, and yung 3 drinks po is sponsored by AuthenTEAc. First drink under Milktea series is their Black Pearl Milk Tea for large size, 85 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Black Pearl, on point. Yung kanilang Thai tea essence, which is good. Yung sweetness, okay na okay sa akin. Well balanced naman siya for its Thai tea. Sa kanilang pearls, sobrang smooth niya, easy to eat. For our second drink under cream cheese category is their blueberry cream cheese for regular size, 95 pesos. Ito yung kanilang blueberry cream cheese. Hindi nag-overpower yung cream cheese, which I really like. Yung kanyang blueberry essence, napakasarap, very refreshing. Tama-tama yung portion niya when it comes to this drink. So tapos na po yung personal pick ko. So next po natin i-try yung sponsored drinks nila. Third drink under Thai milk is their Thai green milk for regular size, 75 pesos. Namiss ako dito sa drink kasi similar taste siya ng bubblegum flavor ng ice scramble, which is good. Itong drink or flavor nito, perfect siya sa kids. For our next drink under cream cheese category, their Melon CreamCheese for large size, 115 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Melon CreamCheese. Yung unang magkikin sa akin yung essence ng melon. Well balanced at well complement naman siya sa cream cheese. Last drink under chocolate series, their strawberry chocolate for large size, 90 pesos. Naamoy ko talaga yung strawberry niya at the same time yung chocolate. So first time ko talaga ay yung strawberry chocolate flavor, especially for this drink. Magandang combination pala ng strawberry at the same time yung chocolate. Hindi naman siya nag-overpower sa sweetness, knowing strawberry has this distinct sweetness. Okay, for rating makanos, for Black Pearl Milk Tea, I'll give this a 10. For Blueberry Cream Cheese, I'll give this a 10. Thai Green Milk, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Melon Cream Cheese, I'll give this a perfect 10. Strawberry Chocolate, I'll give this a perfect 10. Ito, malasahan mo talaga yung flavor in each drink or in each category. AuthenTEAc, na-try ko na sila sa initial taste test ko. Ilang branch dun sa Plaza Libertad and also for their cart base. Pero nag-stand out talaga sa akin when it comes sa kanilang drinks is yung Thai green milk and also for strawberry chocolate. Ito, mas prefer ko sa mga kids. Similar siya ng bubblegum at same time ng ice scramble. Which is good. If you're looking for something new flavor, strawberry chocolate. Yung cream cheese nila, kahit melon, blueberry, or strawberry, yung unang mag-kick in sa inyo is yung fruit juice niya, very natural, tapos well blend siya sa cream cheese essence, which is good. Yung Thai tea extract or your Thai tea essence niya, on point naman siya. Yung sweetness level, sakto naman sa akin. And for the pearls, very soft siya, easy to eat. At yung owners po, sila po mismo nag-deliver ng mga drinks sa bahay ko. I'd like to thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for your time and effort sa your wonderful drinks for this episode. For all your trust for Drinking Nose, and I hope na hindi po to yung last na i-cover ko yung drinks nyo, but maybe soon po, more flavors to come. So, AuthenTEAc maintains their good service, good quality, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and a drinking nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much, AuthenTEAc, and congratulations! Thank you for watching, mga nose. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings with my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesso saying, keep safe and bye!